This week, I received an email from one of my AMA community saying, how come you are so good at such a wide range of technology? And what tips or advice would you give to a fledgling, as they put it, a person like them who is kind of scared to get started and not sure what to do? Great question, and thank you very much for the compliment. Um, I think it is about permission to try, and that's how you get unstuck, and that's what I've titled this video, because so many times people dive into the structure of something too quickly, or wanting to do it perfect, with such a pressure on the outcome. So if they want to create a course, for example, they dive straight into the structure of that course and how to structure it. If they want to get started with video, then they dive into how, what topics do you talk about to create a fantastic video for your business, those sorts of things. I see the world differently. I really do champion the process of creative thinking and play, and I think that way of thinking really does open you up to create a better outcome. So when I am doing technology, I usually start with a play project. I will use footage that I took of a recent motorbike ride or a trip away that we had for the weekend, and I'll use the video editing software and just press all the different buttons and see what it looks like, see what it comes out like. Similarly, if I'm going to do a video, I didn't start off by doing videos that were going to be really good for my business. I just started off by sticking a camera in front of my face, waffling on about something random, and then having a look, and then pressing buttons and changing lighting and changing microphones, seeing what happens and what kinds of stuff I can create. There's a real value, I think, in giving yourself permission to try, and giving yourself something that is a play project that really doesn't matter as an outcome, so that you can get used to what it does and how it works. And that is certainly what I do in my membership. So if I'm helping someone to learn how to use WordPress and edit their website, or I'm teaching somebody how to use their course platform software so that they as a business owner can have full control over their business and amend it as and when they want to, then I usually suggest to them that they start off with something that it doesn't really matter. Have a go at doing these pages, have a go at creating a sales page, but detach yourself from the outcome of it. It really doesn't matter whether it's any good or not. It's just a case of pressing all the buttons on the system and having a play. And I think it's that safe place to build your confidence, which helps you then to get over that fear and have a go. I think so much of the focus of this kind of day and age is all around success and all around perfectionism. And I think that's really damaging personally to your learning journey and building your confidence to have a go with technology and see what happens. If you want a booking system, then kind of have a go between you and your partner. Send a few bookings and see what happens and play around with the settings. I think we need that freedom to be able to have a go at something and have creative play with our ideas and with the technology before we then have the confidence and the knowledge to be able to use that technology in order to build whatever it is that you want to build in order to take your business forward. So my mindset when it comes to technology has always been about playing with it and seeing what I can create. And because of that, my knowledge has grown. I think the other thing that people do, which is detrimental to their confidence, is they compare themselves with somebody that's had a lot of experience. So for example, I've been doing this now for 15, 20 years. I've had a love of technology for even longer. So don't compare what you know with technology to what I know with technology, because that's not a fair comparison. So don't compare yourselves with others, and give yourself permission to try and to have creative exploration with that technology. then you can get to the point where you're using it within your business in order to create an outcome. So I'd love to know what you think about the process of fun and creativity and how that links to your use of technology. If you've got any opinions on that, or like what I've said, or it resonates with you, then do please like the video, comment down below. Always love having a discussion around these kinds of things. And if you would like a safe space to play, to improve your confidence with technology and learn how to use it strategically in your business, a bit of a support network as you learn and you grow, then have a look at the Bib Accelerator. All the details are in the description down below. Thank you very much for joining me for this video. I hope that's helped give you some confidence to pick a project and have a play and have a go. And I will see you next week for the next video.